to the charts, we don't guess, we execute. NASDAQ futures, baby, seal the trade. Wake up, charts lit, it's a new day. Focus locked in on the ORB play. Open range breakout, candles go wild, long and short, I move with style. Stop loss tight, risk real small. Protect the capital, never gon' fall. See the wick, that's liquidation pain, but I'm cool in the heat, money in my lane. Success is no luck, I study, I grind. Every tick matters, I'm sharp with my mind. From red to green, I'm never afraid. I don't chase, I seal the trade. Earning while they sleeping, GG when I'm winning. Charts don't lie, I make money when it's spinning. Earn, grow, never fake. This is seal the trade. One candle, two boom, breaking the range. Liquidity grab, now we back in the game. Short that spike, long that dip. I ride these waves like a championship ship. Emotionless moves, this ain't a game. I trade the edge, they chase the fame. Check the P&L, yeah, we just ate another W. That's checkmate. You got stopped out, reset, learn. No revenge, just wait your turn. Patience pays, I don't rush the grade. Timing's everything, that's how I seal the trade. Success is no luck, I study, I grind. Every tick matters, I'm sharp with my mind. From red to green, I'm never afraid. I don't chase, I seal the trade. Earning while they sleeping, GG when I'm winning. Charts don't lie, I make money when it's spinning. Earn, grow, never fake. This is seal the trade. Long, short, doesn't matter. We trade the truth. ORB certified. Seal the trade every day.
$5 in the fire, a flicker on the screen. 1 mil is a target, yeah, ultimate machine. They watch the candles fall, they say it's just a phase, but the market calls my name through this digital haze. I throw 5 to the mill, watch the moments arise. Every single entry reflected in my eyes. Silver trade on the chart I command. High leverage, clear vision. Cross the market's land. Risk management's the shield when the red waves crash. Scanning for the setup, I make the decisive dash. AQ futures calling, BTC on the clock. Every single pixel, I know where to look. Through volatility's wrong, I won't lose my grip. Calculated moves on this digital share.
Happy Monday, fellow traders! It's Seal here with another stream for you guys. I hope everyone had a beautiful weekend, and I feel like this Monday is going to be really nice, and we are going here to make such nice profits this week. So I feel like let's dive straight into the charts, guys. I changed something up here, so I changed my exchange from Albank, which is like a centralized exchange, to Based, which is kind of a exchange based on Hyperliquid protocol. I feel like this is the right thing because we're here in crypto and we should support our decentralized exchanges more. And I also have that opportunity here to farm two airdrops. We have this Based, which is kind of a routing service, and also the underlying protocol, which is Hyperliquid. So yeah, and I made a lot of profits today. I made a nice Zcash short here. I posted it already in Telegram. So if you're in my Telegram channel, not yet, just go into it. I always, if I'm not streaming, I always post some trading ideas for you guys. So in total, I was up like on my challenge about 190 something. I deposited here on Base platform, Based.one, $150, and we are trading here our $5 to $1 million challenge. So I think it's pretty nice. So I don't know much about this platform. I only know its underlying protocol is Hyperliquid, which I really like to trade, and I feel like it's kind of the future, so we should support it. Let's have a look here what's going on in the charts. I feel like I should give a first outlook here on Bitcoin. What's Bitcoin doing? And then we go through all the other altcoins for you guys. Sorry guys, I need to stream a bit late today because I had a lot of stuff to do in real life, so I couldn't stream earlier for you guys. But let me check out what's going on here. On Bitcoin, we're sitting here on a, yeah, I feel like a nice range here. Why there's not my indicators loading? Give me a few seconds here, yeah, till everything's loaded up. So yesterday we talked about this range here, about this 104, 600 range here. We just dived completely into it, broke out of this range, came back and see another high here. So this was a really nice move here to the upside. And now we're looking here at this kind of ranging market. It's nice to see that American markets are not dumping here for today, which is really nice, not gonna lie. So we have to look for it, how we play it today. I'm a bit risk on here, not gonna lie. I like this long setups here on most of the coins at the moment. But we will see if we can make here or there a nice trade. At the moment it looks like rangy, so I would prefer to see a breakout to the upside, and then on the retest I would love to enter again. This is kind of a, yeah, I like breakout strategy move here. Wait till the market breaks out, go for the retest, and then enter with momentum long again. This is how I want to see this at the moment and how I want to play it usually. Let's screen a few altcoins and then decide what we can enter, where we can enter, and what the game plan is for today, guys. My stream should work better for today because I cleaned my computer up, and I feel like today we don't have that much dropped frame rates, so we will see. And I hope everything is working properly. Sol is pumping higher. We made like we're kind of close to move about above this high here, so we need to be a bit careful here. So everything looks like pumped, especially pump. Let's have a look. Looks like my connection is not that stable as I want to. Provider. So let me check. If I can get something up here. Why is my RAM and CPU so blasted here? Let me check something up here, guys. Give me a few seconds. I try to fix some issues here with my computer.
Hey, late chart, are you live tonight in New York? Bring that candlelight. I got that trade desire. Oh, market's on fire.
So yeah, guys, today is Monday, so traditional markets are opened yet, which is pretty nice. So we have at first look at traditional markets. What's NQ doing here for me? So NQ is kind of a leader. Sometimes it follows, Bitcoin follows NQ as well. So what we can see here, not that much. London session, Asia session, we are climbed higher with nearly no resistance at all, just slowly climbing higher here everywhere, which is kind of good for crypto here. Let's have a fast look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Where's the range where we're sitting at? Wow, Bitcoin's looking really juicy here. We are close to a breakout on Bitcoin. I would love to see Bitcoin breaking out here, and alts will probably follow, so we maybe can have a juicy altcoin trade here. Let's have a look at Zcash. Will be Zcash the new Bitcoin? Probably not, guys. I'm completely sure I'm not so confident in Zcash. It's based on Bitcoin blockchain here, but I don't feel like it's going anywhere. So we took that short here before, which was really nice. I posted in Telegram, so everyone who is in my Telegram channel, it's like t.me/sealthetrade. I posted this trade maybe 3 hours ago. I took the short here, closed here, made about $30, which was a nice gain on my balance. At the moment it looks like we're consolidating here, and I'm waiting for NQ open here, Nasdaq open. It's like in about 1 hour, 50 minutes. Then NQ will open, and this is really important, and you have to look for it. So at the moment everything looks really fine. Everything is kinda rising. Yo, did you saw my trade that I posted earlier in my Telegram channel? Nice to see you. I hope everything is fine with you. I changed my exchange as well, more like crypto exchange, so kinda decentralized exchange here. Yeah, you said you're just follow me on Twitch. Yeah, it was this thing. Yeah, it's fine, but I posted a really juicy short here on Zcash as well. Don't know if I can. What is your new exchange? It's like called Based, app.base.one. It's kinda routing service, so if I trade here, they're mostly routing through Hyperliquid protocol, so I can farm 2 airdrops on the same time. Yeah, it's like Hyperliquid. Yeah, it's just another site, but they're using Hyperliquid exchange and tech. So I can farm 2 airdrops at the same point, yeah. I think you can also trade perps here, yeah. I set it up for a few minutes ago, so I'm not completely sure how it works, but I think this is a good thing to farm 2 airdrops in the same time here. I also I also freed some space on my computer here, so probably my freezings should be my computer should not freeze anymore. It's just a bit slow here. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not loading. It's probably because of my VPN. But yeah, I took this short here. I saw this here. We didn't went above here, above this top here. So at this levels, I also thought, okay, we're selling. I entered here my short, Zcash short, because of this sell pressure here that I saw before, and I closed it, here, somewhere here, which was a nice gain. I opened 1 Zcash here. It was highly leveraged for my account balance. Took something out here at close to VWAP, and then let 0.2 run to the downside. It was really nice trade here. And now we're looking a bit at what traditional markets are doing here. So it's really important how NQ is opening in 50 minutes. We saw a gain here on traditional markets as well. Slowly grinding higher on NQ. But we will see. I heard Trump will do something like $1,000 or $2,000 for everyone or something, like a bonus or something. So probably the markets will be reacting kinda bullish here, and we see another climb from NQ as well. Yeah, so it's perp trading as well. Yeah, I haven't done any trade here till now. I don't know how much leverage I can put in here. I think I should be fine. So do you use Base.1 before, app.based? It's in the crypto space very well known, the site, so it's not like a scammy exchange where I lose all my money. But I feel like it's a good thing to use DEXs better than centralized exchanges, yeah. If I get sponsored with some centralized exchanges, it's fine, okay. I will take it, but we're here in crypto, so why not use the newest tech? I think it should be much nicer, yeah. So yeah, it's looking good here. We're not seeing any breakout here on Bitcoin. We're kinda waiting here what's going on. It's kinda like a small range here. What's building here on Bitcoin? We will wait and see. Alts are trying to push higher. We have hype here. Oh, not really. Kinda rejecting here. So here was our trade range yesterday, where we always tried to long this. So we could easily hold this till today and made a lot of profit. So yesterday I took one long here in this range and closed, I think here, like a small scalp here, which is fine. But I'm not overall that bullish. Yesterday I also said it, so we will see. We saw a nice push on Bitcoin, but I don't know if we can continue. I would love to see it continue, of course, but we will take it slow for today. It was a good day for today. I made an additional $20, so I took some coffee money out here of my account, so my account would be at 190 something because of this withdrawal fee from this L bank exchange and something. Yeah, I put 150 in this DEX account here, so no one can say, okay, yeah, you're kind of scamming or something. So looks good. Let's have a look at Zcash. Maybe do a favorite here on Zcash. What we are also trading here most of the time. I also like to trade Pump. Narrative is pretty strong, and the buybacks are amazing on Pump coin. How many coffee you get in Asia for $30? A lot. Coffee is about $2. €2, $2, something about this. So Sol I also like to trade. XPL I always look into it. Near I don't care about Near. I don't care about Fartcoin. Stark I don't know. I don't like it. Starkcoin scammed me a lot with a airdrop. I did so many tasks on this damn Starkcoin and didn't get any allocation for this airdrop. So I'm not touching it anymore. Aster, I like it as well. We can also look into BNB. So make like a favorite. I traded withdrawals as well for today. Made some money on withdrawals on this pump on to the upside. So let's chart here on the Spaced app. Have a look at Pump. So at the moment we are still waiting till American Open. I feel like this is the safest thing to do at the moment, because if NQ or traditional markets are kinda dumping, longs not looking good anymore, probably. What is this? This 1 hour, okay. You're too high on the time frames. Can I add here 3 minutes as well on this exchange? I want to look into 3-minute time frame. How's your day, Yo-Yo? Do you also trading for today or just watching the charts and spot holding or something?
Welcome to the charts, we don't guess, we execute. NASDAQ futures, baby, seal the trade. Wake up, charts lit, it's a new day. Focus locked in on the ORB play. Open range breakout, candles go wild, long or short.
Yeah, this was my deposit here, $150. Just watching currently. Yeah, it's interesting what Zcash bringing us. So there's a strong sell-off here that we took. I feel like it's cooling a bit down here in this range. So we will see. I'm not completely interested in holding the Zcash. I also don't have a bag or something like this. Just trading these moves here on Zcash. It's fine that they forked from Bitcoin, but you know, everyone can fork from Bitcoin, so it's nothing special at all. Doge is also forked from Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is forked from Bitcoin. Bitcoin Gold is forked from Bitcoin. Bura Stay, hey mate, I really love stream and you enjoy being part of your fan community. Would you mind? What? I'm reading too slow. One moment. Need to read your message. Would you mind adding me on Discord? My username is Odunayo0563. Thank you for your message, Bura Stay. Burazade, I don't know how your name is getting pronounced correctly, but we don't have any Discord at the moment here, but you can follow me here on my Twitch, and we also have a Telegram channel. Let me send you my Telegram. It's t.me/sealthetrades. So my name, t.me. Let me write it for you. I'm always happy if you join here. I'm trying to be everyday live for you guys, so you can always watch into it, and if you're interested in crypto content or trading content, feel free to tune in. Let's have a moment. So at the moment we are kind of chill here. We're chilling here in the range. Bitcoin's not broken out yet, probably. Kind of trying to break out, so it's really interesting what's going on here. We're close to a breakout on Bitcoin, and with this breakout, probably all these altcoins will follow. So if we break out and see a nice momentum pushing higher, I will definitely go risk on and try to get some nice longs on altcoins. This is how I want to play it at the moment, but at the moment we're still waiting here. So I'm not long in this resistance here on the top zone. Makes no sense for me at all. So this is how I'm going to play it at the moment. I feel like it's kind of logical that we are not opening here long positions. And we also need to think about this, in 40 minutes. Traditional markets will open, and if you see a sell off, probably Bitcoin will follow, and altcoins will follow as well. Let me look into it here, guys. Is my music running? Yeah, okay, music's on. Yeah, so Burazade, if you're interested in trading content, you can always follow me on Telegram, so you get a message if I'm going live. I will try to be everyday live, but I don't know which time, so sometimes it's more like for US sessions, sometimes I'm also trying to be online EU session, London session. But yeah, so you hear this, you can follow me if you want. So let's screen all the other coins here. I'm a big fan of Aster because it's kind of DEX exchange for BNB. I feel like Aster has also a big potential here to go much higher than actual prices. Still sitting in the range. We got some nice moves yesterday to the upside on Aster as well, but we didn't see a breakout yet. We don't see any momentum. We're kinda slowing down here on Aster as well. Okay, so my stream's not freezing, which is pretty nice. So it kinda worked that I freed up my memory or my disk space. So nearly everything looks same here on altcoins. Kinda consolidating, moving a bit lower here and waiting for the big one, Bitcoin, the leader. What is the leader doing? If the leader is pushing here, we're happy and we're entering risk on longs. This means higher position sizes than before. Because we saw yesterday a nice move to the upside here. I haven't expected this, that we're pushing through this 104.500 level so hard, and it's not looking that bad here for cryptos. So we are kind of waiting till we get some good trades here, some good setups here where we can enter. Also looking into Zcash. Zcash was like a good, it made a lot of amount of my wallet balance, not gonna lie. I made like maybe 60-70% on my whole balance only with Zcash trades, from long to short to short to long. So it was really amazing, not gonna lie. I don't know why this worked so well, but if Zcash is moving, it's moving probably nicely, in a nice movement, in a way where I can take the trades easily and profit from these moves. So we're still looking always on Zcash, and Zcash is kinda interesting. I feel like we will see at some point a brutal sell-off, so maybe we can go higher to 1k something. Everything's possible. The market is kind of strange, so but at some point it will completely sell off. I feel like that narrative is fine, but these anonymous coins are not that liked from governments, also not liked from exchanges, because if the government don't like these coins, exchanges need to delist these coins. Like Monero. Don't know, were also other were there also other anonymous coins? Let me think. I think not that much.
Wake up early, charts alive, prices moving, time to dive. Futures pumping, screen so bright, I hump my setup, strike on sight. Candles forming, clean and bold. I don't chase, I wait, I hold. Discipline, that's my blade. Every move calculated. Click the mouse, the line gets crossed. Risk defined, I know the cost. No emotion, just a plan.
Zcash looking good. We're holding here pretty strong on Zcash. We potentially see another upside here on Zcash, not gonna lie. It looks good. We're consolidating here. Holding strong here. So guys, I can't talk the whole time because I also need to trade some NQ today. I also need to be concentrated to enter some NQ longs here and there.
I'm not here for luck or thrills. I stack edges, sharpen skills. Charts don't lie and time to waste, so I stay ready, seal the fate. Win or lose, I learn and grow. Trade with calm, let profits flow. It's not a gamble, this is craft. Trading smart, not chasing fast. No FOMO, no noise in my zone. I trade my plan, I
Also my mouse is kind of stuck here. Okay, now it should, no, that's not working. Okay. So I don't know why my mouse is not loading. Come on. Now it's kind of working. Okay, I'm back, guys. So let's have a look here again on every coin. I don't like that we're sitting here in this range. I want to see Bitcoin breaking out.
Hey, late chart, are you live tonight in New York? Bring that candlelight. I got that trade desire. Oh.
Let's have a look at Bitcoin again.
watching price action. Will you break the zone? Is this the move or a trap? I'm shown this level feels much higher. Oh, oh, seals on fire. Sometimes it's like the market's cold. Fake out highs.
Yeah, we're kind of rejecting here on Bitcoin. So I'm really excited to see this breaking out here, as I've been said a few times already. And I want to take this long here and on the upside here at this range. Pump is really crushing it at the moment. For today we're up 10% on hype. You see this move here from Asia Open is like here to now. We're up like 11.5%, which is really a lot on this coin. It's moving amazing, and already yesterday we started to pump, I feel like. So from that lows we are much higher here. So we completely missed that move here to the upside, which is kinda 22% till the 8th, no? Yeah, till the 8th of November. We're up 25% on this coin. Let's have an overlook here where we're sitting on this pump coin. I feel like that narrative of pump is so good. So we will probably see another all-time high, because this pump coin gets so many buybacks every day. So it cannot go down, really, it cannot go down. It's just a matter of time till we see another all-time high from this coin. So we're down, how much are we down? 80%. Probably down 80%. No, 48%. Okay. From the high we're down 48%, 50%. It looks juicy. I will try to catch some moves on a smaller time frame from pump, because fundamental I see this coin going much higher. So BNB is was like 1,300. We're a bit down from all-time high. Cannot go down. That was the last word he said after lost everything. But you know, pump is, I don't know how many millions they are buying every day. The buybacks are immense on this token. It's really crazy. So I think it's one of that DeFi protocols that make the most earnings here. Maybe you can find something for you on X. But I like this coin a lot. I don't like this pump.fun platform, because there are a lot of Indian scammers. And you will probably lose your money if you enter some scam coins, meme coins, whatever. But let's have a look at X. I saw a nice thread about that. Maybe I can find something. How many buybacks does this coin do? Or let's have a look at DeFi Llama. I don't know if you know DeFi Llama. You can see all this earnings and stuff about DEXs here. Let's have a look on the metrics. Maybe we can find some stuff here about that earnings from pump protocol. Yeah, sure, everything can go down, really. Total value log, top protocols here. G2 restaking. Let's have a look at Solana. Okay, it's not that high. Okay, I'm wrong. The fees are kind of low here, so we have like, let's have a look here. Probably you can see it. Should be working, yeah. We have here like Solana protocol. We have down here protocol rankings. Then we're going here to fees. Then we're seeing here Meteora place 1. I'm also, by the way, I'm also liquidity providing on Meteora. And we have on the place number 2, Pump. 2.4 million every day on earnings, on that fees. And here you see the revenue. The revenue on Meteora is so low because they gave a lot of money back, so they're only taking a point something percentages per 0.1, 0.01 something on every liquidity provider. So the revenue is much lower on Meteora. But Pump, see this? 0.13 million every day. Our Ore protocol is that high. Axiom is the kinda the software where you can trade all these pump coins and other launchpad coins. Are also pretty high here. Interesting, really interesting, guys. So what we can see here, Pump is interesting and strong here. Let's have a look at the buybacks from Pump every day. Buybacks, Pump. So we can see how much money is going back into this coin here. Let's study and type. Let me fast check for you. Talking about bags. This is one month ago here. So it was like 1 month ago. We have here kinda an study from CoinGecko, and here you can see in 15 days from the 1st January to 15th October, so like 10 months something. Pump bought back 138 millions of its own token, which is kinda crazy. Radium is as well pretty high. Jupe, it's also on the list. Bonk, Aave, GMX, which is kinda interesting. So you have a lot of stability in this coin, and there should be only a few buyers in this coin, so it could fly easily, I feel like. So we have Hype. I also see Hype fundamental going much higher here. Pump as well. We will see. We just play it level by level, and yeah, that's it. But it's only for just to have it in your, yeah, just to think about it. Okay. It should go potentially, so it's the probabilities that it goes up in some way at some point are very high, I would say, yeah, in my opinion. Of course, everything is no food advice. Yeah, no food advice, guys, you know it. You're not giving any food advice here. You're only trading level by level and only for entertainment, guys. Let me just fix my camera. So we have 20 minutes till American Open, guys. Zcash is kinda correcting here. We'll wait and see what's going on here. Let's have a fast look at Bitcoin. Wow, we have a nice candle on Bitcoin for the short side here. It really looks like we're going more down here at the moment. So this is the reason I don't want to take this long to the upside here. Let me just switch my camera back on. So I'm back on here, guys. So what we definitely see here, a nice top wick candle. This is typical for a short formation and a short pressure going on here in the markets. You can see it on this candle here. Big sellers are here, trying to sell. This is related that the market is going more down and more down. Yeah, I'm interested to see this. So this is the reason I don't try to long here at the top range. So we're going more down. If we reject here on this level, on my yellow line, probably also before we can try to short this. So let's push it a bit higher here. So the support is more like, as a resistance level here for this range is more like here. So this was like kind of this bull scenario, pushing higher. The bearish scenario is going under this range, retest, seeing a good momentum here, and then we can short to the downside, short in this space somewhere. This is another game plan we can try here. A lot of viewers, a lot of scalpers probably will try to catch, try to play this ranging here. It's still possible, but I really like to see a breakout here because I don't know, I don't like to play this ranging market here at this point. Especially if I see that American markets is opening here soon in 15 minutes. So we need to really stay calm and being concentrated. So everything kinda depends on NQ open here. I feel like it's clear, guys. Just check if I get my camera back on. So NQ is waiting as well for American markets opening. So we're kind of far away from VWAP here. VWAP is down here on NQ. We have this range here as well on NQ. It's kind of looking similar to Bitcoin, which is typical because we move like, we correlate really strong with NQ in some point. We need to see this. At the moment there's no trade for me. Guys, I will be right back, Give me a few minutes. Not a few minutes, maybe a minute. We'll be right back, guys.
Risk management's the shield when the single pixel. I know where to look. Through volatility's wrong, I won't lose my grip. Calculated moves on this digital shit. From far to the mill, watch the momentum rise. Every single entry reflecting my eyes. Feel the train on a track command. I let clear vision across the market's land. This is the crown, this is seal the train. A journey never ends until the million.
I am back again, guys. Let me just fix my camera fast. So we were still waiting here till American markets opening. It is really important for crypto as well. All the people that not knowing anything about this should make some research. So there is definitely a correlation. We're pushing lower here on NQ. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is probably doing nearly the same, holding a bit better. Yeah, I already marked my ranges here on the top and on the bottom side here. So yeah, we will see what's going to happen.
Is this the move or a trap I'm shown? This level feels much higher. Seals on fire. Sometimes it's like the market's cold. Fake out highs and structure fold, but I stay calm. I trust the plan.
The cash is going to...
Market's on fire.
Unfortunately, I can't add here another time frame. I would love to see the 3-minute candles. Can't do this here. Okay, let's have a look at 1 minute candles. So we don't have that clear of a signal on a 1 minute candle, but I traded it before, so it should be fine as well. Going down here, should we try a test trade on this new exchange? Let me check how this works here. So this is what is this here? What's meaning 100% here? I can long or short. Okay, I can switch here from long to short. So if I want to short here, that's like 2.3 Zcash. I would like to short, maybe let's try a test trade how this works here, this hyperliquid protocol here. I haven't used it before, this exchange here, so I also haven't used Hyperliquid tech, only used this AsterDex before. So let me check how this is working. Can I do limit as well? So if I, yeah, okay, the price changes, which is good. So if I enter here at, let's say 6 to 2 and place order. Order placed. It was really smooth here. I don't know if this is now working on chain. I don't know. Probably, yeah. Should be. It probably should be on chain, which was really smooth. So I don't know if this order book as well on chain. I think so. Can I take it more down here? It's moving.
Yeah.
It says moving order to 620.35. It's really smooth here. It's really nice. I like this. I feel like it's, from the feeling here, from this layout, it's much smoother than this centralized exchange. So we have funding rate here on top. Funding rate is minus 0.009. So this means minus normally means that short pays longs. So if you're long, you get like this funding rate in 37 minutes. You see if it's here the same. If the funding rate is positive, long positions pay shorts. Yeah. If it's negative, short position pays. Yeah, as I've been said. So it's like this. If I hold my short, I need to pay this 0.007% on my position size here for that longs in the market. How can I put here TPSL? Okay, I can switch here, stop market, stop limit, scale, whatever is scale. I can scale into positions. What's this kind of strange thing here? I don't know what's T-Warp. I don't know what's Scalp. Like scalping, TP gaming. Okay, funny. Interesting. It's potentially not a good trade here. I'm just trying to test this out here, how everything works, because I changed my exchange here. So if I put my stop loss here, my take profits here partially at 612.79, 0.71, something like this. And if I can do here, it's like a buy to take profit, but that's not possible, so it's a limit. If I do 50%, does he know this? It's like point. No, it's not working like this. Okay. If I put in not TP, if I put in reduce and I go 50, then it should be one. Yeah, it's working like this. It's okay. Got it. 612 placed. Okay, I got it how it works. It's fine as well. It's good. I think like it's good if maybe we can get some volume here on this based platform, and maybe we get a juicy airdrop. Probably not, because we're only trading small amounts. But why not? Why not using this tag here? So I definitely want to close this trade here. It's not a good trade, it's just I want to try to use this tag here. So how this is working. So we have 4 minutes till American Open, guys. 4 minutes. Wow, we see a nice rejection here on pump. We have Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Kinda rejecting probably here. Yes, it's right. Kinda still sitting in this range here. It's not moving up, it's not moving down. It's kinda sideways action here. Let's have a look at NQ. Everything is set up here for the move on NQ. In my opinion, NQ should be moved to the upside. Looks kinda bullish. We will wait and see how this market reacts. So yeah, I will close here nearly my whole position on Zcash. It was just to test this exchange, how everything is working. Order filled pretty smooth here, not gonna lie. How much is that? Cost margin, maintenance margin, unrealized. I don't know how much the price is here for how much the order prices is. Should be really okay. Have a look at, maybe I can set something up in a private key. I don't want to show you my private key, guys. Okay, so I also have here limit market trail reverse and share. So what can I share here? See what's trail doing. I can fix the amount, trail it. Distance here. It's okay. It's nice. One feature that I'm missing is a bit like always if I go here, I have like this buttons, these two buttons like TP, and I can just draw it down, and SL I can just draw it in the other direction. This is one thing I'm missing here a bit, but otherwise it's really smooth here. The order books looks okay. It's not, it's moving like a natural exchange here, so like a centralized exchange, I feel like. And we are close to the open here, guys. We have now that open from NQ. Let's see what's NQ doing. Ding 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 ding, guys. The floor is open. Let's see. What are that big players doing in the markets here? Can we see a pop to the upside? Dump to the downside? What is going on here? We see a first reaction here on the markets, which is kinda showing some bullish momentum here. Probably we're pushing here through this level of 25,475. Let's have a look at what's going on. Yeah. We see a continuation of this push. Definitely some buyers getting into the markets here. We're kinda pushing higher. Let's see. Okay. We went through our line here, our yellow line, which was kinda resistance level here. Let's see if we can continue the next candle. Yeah, it's pushing. Market is definitely pushing. Let's have a fast look at Zcash. Zcash is going down. I'm making some money here. It was just a test trade for this exchange. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Is Bitcoin pumping as well? If Bitcoin pumping as well, wow. Okay, we definitely see a really interesting thing here. We see NQ is pushing higher through the resistances, and Bitcoin is correcting here to the downside. Let's see how that Bitcoin reacts on this VWAP level. If we can go through, went through. Let's see if we can resist here. No resistance here. Fast look at NQ. What's NQ doing? NQ is trying to push higher here. So we will wait the first 15 minutes of that NQ open. It's like the 9:30 till 9:45 is like open range. Let's have a look if I can set this up here for you guys, so you know what I am talking about. 9:30 till 9:45, OTC -5. Okay, should be working. I don't know why it's not showing here in my charts. So it's like the first 50 minutes of the market, and then you can see what's going on and how that market participants are trying to see the market and were they entering the markets, and yeah, maybe short, maybe long. We will see. At the moment we can't see anything and I'm still waiting. So I'm not trying to take any trades here on NQ at the moment. I'm always waiting for the first 15 minutes. Let me just refresh my camera. I feel like it's... One moment. Sorry guys. We're pushing higher and higher and higher. It's a nice one, guys. It's a really juicy thing here going on NQ. I just expected this because of that bullish news from Trump. So why the fuck is my camera not working? It's only black. We are pushing higher and higher, so every candle is green here at the moment on NQ. For me here it's white because I have some different candle colors, but it doesn't matter at all. You see we're pushing guys, which is kind of beautiful. I'm just trying to set my camera up for you guys because I feel like it's more fun if you can see me. It's not working. So I don't care about this damn camera. Fuck it. So let's have a look at Zcash. Zcash went through here, went through the zone. So where we are at the higher time frame on Zcash. We're sitting on a support zone here, so it's not good shorting here, not gonna lie. Because we saw Bitcoin is kind of following in the stump, I will still hold my position here. It's just a small position. Maybe you can make some $1 or $2 or $3 here on my balance. It's okay. Overall, I always think a bit bearish here on this coin here. So I feel like it's overhyped. Okay, we see a first reaction here on NQ. Maybe we're trying to push lower or push higher. We will see. At the moment it's like, okay, we went through the first resistance level here and probably we're pushing higher. So we have the first 55 minutes here on the NQ candle, which is also really important how that closed. Yeah, you can see it here. You see this kind of gray shaded area here. This is like the opening range at the moment. So if we see another push higher, that gray shaded area will be bigger and bigger. And then we have, after 15 minutes, the open range. And this open range is really nice to trade. I also did a YouTube video about this open range breakout trade. You can watch it if you want, and I always try to take it. Not completely always the same way, but you can have some thoughts about how I accomplish my NQ trading in the first 15 minutes of American Open. We are trying to push lower here on Zcash. Let's have a fast look at Bitcoin. Okay, hype is also turning red here, which is wow. Okay, 41.73 on hype. Hype is kind of rejecting. Zcash is also rejecting, down 2% now. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is sitting at 105.990. I think it's not that low here. Let's have a fast look. You see this, guys? we have this range here from 106 500. You know, all the people here on top of the range will try to catch this long. They're getting like FOMO and trying to catch this long. You see this? This is the reason I waited for American Open. Completely consolidated here, back down to the lows. And now we potentially see a breakout. This is the reason I'm a bit careful here, because I see the shorts much more than the longs here in the market. Okay, we went through our yellow zone here, our yellow support level here. We still have here kind of a support level, but we need to see what's NQ doing. Let's have a fast look on NQ. 125, 514 is also rejecting here from a few levels. Okay, no, it's not rejecting. Just going up here. There's kind of no correlation here at this point. And yeah, if you see this, traditional markets are pumping and crypto is dumping, you know, there's really shit going on here. It's really dog shit if you see this and crypto's not following. So normally if NQ is pumping higher and traditional markets showing some strength, that market participants are risk on. This means crypto will follow. But at the moment it only looks like traditional markets are pumping, which is kind of bad signal for crypto here. Let's see how to set up here a stop loss on this new exchange. I will put my stop loss here at break even 617.97. 617.97. So we have reduce only and it's a buy long. Buy long 617 stop market buy, can't set it. Stop price. Okay, I need to put it up here. 617.79. So I will put this on break even. I don't care much about this trade. It's like a really what I really don't like. I really like to. Oh god! Oh nice! It's working. That's nice. I can put it lower. Yeah, as I've been expected, we're seeing Zcash is going lower here. My position size is only really small because I'm only using this just for testing this exchange here. So you see this, but I feel like this was like a normal day or just a normal reaction on the things what Trump said before, so that there's kind of giving like a new $2,000 for everyone. So it's typical risk on for the markets if there's something like this kind of news.